Okay, so verbs, the abbreviation for verb is V. Verb is an action or a state of being. That's why I have two images on this screen. So this guy on the left is supposed to be running. Hopefully you see that. Or you could say that he's dancing or something, falling over, but he's doing something. And then over here on the right, I have this guy in a yoga pose to symbolize a state of being. Yoga and meditating is not what I mean by state of being. We're going to get to that in a second. Okay? All right. So, verbs answer the questions how and what. Like, how are you doing that? What are you doing? This is called the predicate of the sentence, aka predicate means verb phrase. Your verb phrase must agree with your subject, and you need to have a verb to have a complete sentence. So we see this with like little kids. They will use the wrong verb with their sentences, in their sentences, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. So verbs can be often identified by their endings. These endings show tenses, so you need to keep your tense consistent. Examples are s, ed, ing, and even changing vowels like run to ran. And then, so these are the state of being verbs, the ones I was talking about. So am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, be, being, been, could, should, would. Those are what I mean by state of being verbs, right? Because am is not really an action, but it shows what you are, who you are, that kind of thing. And that's the end of our notes.